we are from Jalavai Vihar in Kukatpalli, Hyderabad. During Corona time, all the markets were closed and nobody is able to go out and get vegetables, and we are all stuck. And these two people are from a place called Repalle, very far away from Hyderabad, and from there husband wife Venkateshwara garu and Vijaya madam, both of them, and they buy vegetables from the farmers and they are selling us in spite of having so much of risk about Corona. The point that I am trying to drive is that every one of us, we go to school, we go to college. Why? Do we really love study? No, because you get a certificate. With a certificate, you get a job. Why you want to work? Because you want to make money. Why money? Because you have house rent to pay, we have petrol to fill, we have mobile to recharge, we have day-to-day groceries to buy. For making a living, we want money. For money, we want a job. For job, we want a certificate. But every one of us want a white-collar job. That means I want to become a software engineer. I want to go buy a car. I want to go buy a nice, beautiful aeroplane. But look at this, people, doing this menial jobs. So many times when I talk to youngsters, they want high-fi job, and they look down upon these farmers, people who are sanitary workers, health, volunteers, and their nurses. In this COVID situation, they're risking their life and sacrificing, them for us. That means there's no job which is good or bad. It is the way you do it. Martin Luther King said, do what you may. You may even sweep the road, but sweep it so well that people passing by should stop and ask, who is the sweeper? I want him to come and work for us. So that is the kind of work that means what? We have to bring dignity to our job. Not that only when you do that kind of a job, you will have lot of dignity. So any job is okay, as long as you don't cheat people, and then you don't hoodwink people, and you are trying to evade work. As long as you are able to do proper work and you have the dignity in what we do, that's perfectly okay. So I really appreciate Mr. Venkateshwara and Vijay ma'am that this two elderly couple, they're coming and serving our colony. And like this, we have a lot of people. As a matter of fact, we got people who are cleaning up our colony, and then people who take away the garbage, and we got those plumber, electrician, and then dhobi who washes our clothes. So many great people are there, but we undervalue all of them. So my suggestion or my recommendation to everyone who's going to school, college, wanting to be be in the topmost job, my suggestion is very simple. Doesn't really matter what you do, but do it so well that when you do a work in such a manner, you should be able to bring dignity to that work that we are trying to do. Now that is what Martin Luther King said. So never look down upon any person just because they seem to earn less, but you should respect for what they are doing, this great work that they are trying to do. Maybe I am giving a speech, somebody may be treating a patient, somebody may be repairing a vehicle, somebody may be running administration of a state or a country, or somebody may be managing the economy, doesn't really matter. And if you look at this person who is there right now with us, this guy, he met with an accident 3 days back, and this Trinu person, he washes our clothes and he presses all of the work. And look at the kind of people. Just wanted to tell you that the dignity of labor, and if you know that, is perfectly okay. So no job is big, no job is small. It is the way you do it. You should be able to bring dignity to that job. So never ever look down upon anyone, but treat people with utmost respect and then love and affection. And when you give respect to people, and I'm sure they will reciprocate love back to you. Now we all can make this world beautiful. Reason being is we require one engineer, we require a teacher, we require an accountant, we require a speaker like me, and we also require a politician, we also require a businessman We require all kinds of people. All of us make this world very beautiful, including a cinema maker or a movie, a hero, every person. We all make this world beautiful. So everybody has got their own choice of choosing a profession and doing this. So when I looked at these two people who have come almost 200 kilometers away, they're coming and doing work for all of us in this, difficult times. I really feel like saluting all of them. So look around you, how many people are helping you so that you can stay safe at home. Can we all thank all of them and say thank you so much for whatever service that they have done. So beautiful it seems, right? So today, one step you take and then appreciate and thank all the people around you, and I'm sure you must have really filled their heart with so much of love and affection. Thank you so much. Jai Sima signing off. Bye bye.